We love this van, but it's not without its faults. But to assist in the chairs rotating, the handbrake is not on the left hand side, it's on the right hand side. And even here, with my extremely long arms, it's a bit of a reach to put it on. Now, not so much of a problem because, as my mum said, I was tall with long arms. And she wrote to the local paper with that. Can you imagine me at school the next day? But it's a bit more of a problem for Sandy. So we're going to attempt to fix that. So, let's go. Oh, you're going to help, Cosmo, are you? Are you going to help? Hey? Going to help? I'll go that way. And people can see you on the camera. Hey. Going to help, or are you just going to supervise? You're just going to supervise.
Off you go, take us far and wide, through the mountains by the seaside. Our home on wheels where dreams collide. With you go, we'll never need to hide.
So, we have purchased one of these, which has some spring in it, and it's got a release on it. And the idea is that that fits to that and brings the lever up. So we're going to attempt to fit this today. So first of all we have to take it apart. So it's one of those things that comes fully assembled and you have to disassemble it before you reassemble it. Pull that pin out. Nope, nothing's gone bang, so that's good. Everything's out. Bolts, there. So, quite simple. You've got a return spring, and I assume it's that operates the handbrake. So, let's take you over there. So, first of all, we need to have it in the on position, apparently. So it's now in the on position. Three, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've picked everything up. So let's give it a go. One assumes this fits over here. Like so. Okay, that seems better. And then let's put this on the right way and fit that so it clips together. The pieces that hold the nut in that side, and then we have a bolt this side. Let's do it up. Don't fall off. And do the next one. Two. Okay, it shouldn't fall off. Number 3. And number 4. Number 5. And the last one, number 6. So let's give it a go. So that's the fly off. So we can then put that in there. Okay. Thank you. Let's see what it feels like. Okay, I can get that. Put it up, bring it back down. Put it up, put it back down. But that seems to work really well. And the reason that this is here is because when I set this up to turn it around, you'll find actually it doesn't foul it. Oh no, hold on. Let's not be stupid here. That's it. It's up. In fact, no, it doesn't. It still doesn't foul it. Because the idea is you can pull that and bring that down. Now that's probably going to help by stepping in so you don't catch it. But to be fair, that leans back quite a lot. And I have to say, Sandra, would you like to have a go? It's a slightly different action. Cool.
Just straight forward up.
Yep. How does that feel?
That's actually really nice.
It's not bad, is it?
Yeah, this is lovely.
It's a nice
Rubber.
rubber. Can't beat rubber. Don't have to lean down too much now, do you?
No. I like it. I like it.
Yes, I think that's money well spent, to be fair. Doesn't look too non-OEM.
Is that my birthday present?
Well, look, just because I bought it for your birthday, I didn't feel it was one of those things that should be a present. So that's why I bought it the day after your birthday. But if you want to take it as a birthday present...
I don't mind it as my birthday present, but then I do have a bigger birthday present that's due in a couple of weeks.
Yes, and we'll video that, putting that up. And I'm sure that will be very humorous. But love it when a plan comes together. Cool. Thanks for watching.